Hi everyone, this is Alex from the Teton County Library. Today I'm going to be showing you how to access and navigate the new LinkedIn Learning interface. This while also exploring some of the platform's most essential features so that you can get the most out of your online learning experience. In case you are unfamiliar with LinkedIn Learning, let me give you a brief overview. LinkedIn Learning, formerly lynda.com, is a digital learning platform that houses a vast library of video tutorials. These tutorials, created by real-world industry experts, are intended to help develop your skills and knowledge in a variety of subject areas. Video tutorials can be accessed 24/7 using a desktop or laptop computer. There are literally thousands of tutorials available in 7 different languages, including English, Spanish, and Mandarin. You do not need to create a LinkedIn account in order to access these tutorials or to utilize any of the platform's unique features. All you need is your Teton County Library card and PIN. In addition to this, LinkedIn Learning is entirely free to use. Earlier this year, LinkedIn Learning completed a major overhaul of its user interface, which is basically everything that you see and interact with on the platform. Some things have changed, and some things remain the same. Overall, the platform is now a lot easier to navigate and more customizable in terms of your learning interests and habits. There is also a greater range of new and updated video content to choose from. Now that you know a little more about what LinkedIn Learning is, let me show you how to get onto the platform from the Teton County Libraries homepage, which is where we're at now. First, find the Digital Content and Research tab. If you place your mouse cursor over the letters, a drop-down menu will appear. Keeping your mouse cursor in the gray area, drag it over to the E-Classes section and click on the LinkedIn Learning link. We're not there yet, as this takes us to a different page on the library's website. To get to the LinkedIn Learning website, click on either the square image located at the top or on the green underlined link that reads Log in or Sign up here. I'm going to click on the link. We've arrived at the LinkedIn Learning website, but now we need to input our Teton County Library information in order to be granted full access. To do so, first click on the Get Started button. Once the login page pops up, type your library card number in the first blank field and your PIN in the second. Your library card number is located on the back of your card, and it should begin with either the letter T or the number 2. If you don't have your library card and can't remember the number, please contact the library front desk, and a staff member can retrieve it for you. After you inputted both numbers, click on the Continue button. You will then be shown a list of learning preferences. You can select multiple preferences so that LinkedIn Learning can provide you with course recommendations on the homepage, or you can just skip this part. Here we go, the LinkedIn Learning homepage. Let's take a look at some of the key features of the interface. Do you see the home icon in the top right menu? Clicking on it will always return you to this page, regardless of where you are on the site at any given time. To the right of the home icon is the My Learning icon. Clicking on that will take you to the My Learning page. From here, you can view a list of all the courses you're currently participating in, a list of courses that you've chosen to save while searching or browsing, and a list of courses that you've previously completed. You can also organize your learning by creating collections of courses based around a particular software, skill set, subject area, or occupation. The choice is completely up to you. And you have the option, again, of highlighting certain skills that will help LinkedIn Learning obtain a greater understanding of your current interests and abilities, and thus provide you with better tailored content. To the right of the My Learning icon is the Me icon. Clicking on that produces a drop-down menu with links to the My Learning subpages we explored moments ago, plus a few other links I want to show you. Let's click on the Settings link. From this page, we can change the language of both the website's text and the video content using the drop-down menu. We can also control whether or not LinkedIn Learning can send us course recommendations via email, as well as weekly reminders regarding in-progress and saved courses. To do this, click on the gray arrow to the right of the text. Then click the toggle switches to turn on or off automatic emails for recommendations and reminders. Let's head back up to the Me icon. Below the Settings link is a link for the LinkedIn Help Center. Answers to questions regarding site access and navigation may be found in the Basic Topics section. To view a more comprehensive list of topics, click on the blue View All link. You can also contact either branch of the Teton County Library should you encounter any issues while using LinkedIn Learning. To go back to LinkedIn Learning from the LinkedIn Help Center, we are going to have to click the back button in our web browser. To the right of the Me icon is the language icon. Clicking on this produces another drop-down menu where you can change the language of the website's text and video content. Now that we're back at the homepage, let's talk about searching and browsing for a minute. Say we wanted to search for a LinkedIn Learning course. Maybe this course is about a particular device, like the latest iPhone, or a piece of software, such as Microsoft Word 2019. Maybe it's associated with a particular occupation, like web development, or a subject area, like business analysis. You can type in any of these things into the search bar at the top of the homepage. A list of suggestions will appear in a drop-down menu, and you can click on one of the items in the list or the See All Results link at the very bottom. From here, the search engine will redirect us to the search results page, where we can redisplay and filter the results that appear. Near the upper right-hand corner of the screen, there's a line of text that reads Sort by Best Match. Click on the arrow nearby to bring up a drop-down menu. The other two options in the drop-down menu allow you to arrange the search results according to their popularity among other LinkedIn users and by their upload date. By default, your search results will always be arranged according to how well they match up with the keywords you originally typed into the search bar. Click on either the image or the title of the video or course you want to access. You can also save courses to your My Learning page or add them to the personalized collections you created. On the left-hand side of the screen are the search filters. These can be applied to help narrow the number of extraneous search results that are displayed. These filters are very useful if you're interested in a particular instructional level or time frame, or if you're looking for videos pertaining to a particular software or curriculum. You can also use filters to look for full-length courses or individual videos taken from course content. To apply any given filter, simply click on the white box next to it. A blue checkmark will appear inside the box, indicating that the filter has been activated. To remove an active filter, just click on the blue checkmark. Say you don't have a clear idea of what course you want to take. Click the Browse icon next to the search bar to explore courses in one of three broad subject areas. Click on a subject area to reveal subtopics of course content. Then click on a subtopic link you are interested in. This action will return you to the search results page. Now let's pick a video from the search results. The video viewer will appear right after you click on either the title or the image of the video. The video will begin to play automatically. To pause the video, click on the pause button to the left. Click it again to continue playing the video. Use these three buttons over here to adjust the volume, turn on closed captioning, and adjust the playback speed. Want to make the screen bigger? Click the full screen button here. To return to the search results, click the X in the top right-hand corner. To view the actual course from where this video originated, click this button down here. Now let's pick a course to explore. This one looks pretty interesting, so I'm going to click on the title of the course. And here we go. We've been redirected to the course page. The video viewer appears at the top of the page, and as you can see, the video controls remain the same. On the left-hand side, we can see the Contents menu. Each session has one video or, in some cases, one interactive assignment tied to it. After you finish a session, you will automatically be redirected to the next one. You do not need to watch the videos in sequential order to complete a given course. You do, however, need to watch all of the videos and complete all interactive assignments in order to download a completion certificate. Once you complete a session, you will see a green check mark next to that session's name. You have the option to save this course to your My Learning page by clicking this icon. You also have the option to share course details with family and friends via email, various social media platforms, and a copy and paste link. If the course we are taking requires us to download supplemental materials such as worksheets or additional readings, we can do so by clicking this link. We can download the course completion certificate here using this link, but only after we've completed all sessions. If you want to create notes for one of the videos you are watching, click the Notes icon above. Once you've finished typing your note, hit the Enter button on your keyboard. You do not need to worry about saving these, as this is done automatically. In addition to this, you may edit or delete notes you've previously created. Lastly, click the transcript icon to follow along with the person speaking in the video. Be sure to do some exploring on your own and take advantage of the wide range of learning content available to you for free by way of the Teton County Library. If you have any questions or encounter any issues accessing or navigating LinkedIn Learning's platform, please call the library front desk. Thank you for watching this video. Take care and happy learning.